day everyone. Today, we will demonstrate the volleyball passing and also the verbal cues to improve the performance. So let's go!
Before performing, always warm up properly to avoid injuries.
This is volleyball passing without verbal cues. The student or the player lacks proper body position and is controlled to the ball.
In performing volleyball passing, we need first the ready position. Okay, RJ, you need to learn first the ready position. Okay? Okay, start with feet apart. Then, bend your knees. And keep your eye always on the ball. Okay, RJ, you need to try. Okay, coach. RJ,
I noticed that your ready position is good, but you need to improve your arm and hand position. First, straight your arm and strengthen it. And then move your feet like this. And then follow through. And now you need to try. Stay low. Close together.
With the help of proper verbal cues, RJ performed the skills more effectively and accurately.
the abilities involved in volleyball passing are coordination, balance, focus, timing, and body control, which help student or players receive and control the ball properly.
The skills involved in volleyball passing are ready position, arms and hand position, coordination, timing, agility, balance.
Proper volleyball passing techniques helps control the ball and make accurate passes. Players should stay ready and arms straight together, watch the ball, and move their feet properly to improve control and accurately.
Verbal cues are very important because they help player focus, correct mistake, and also perform skills properly. They improve coordination, confidence, and also accuracy during the game.